Hey guys, it is Andrea, and today I am coming at you. I'm sitting down with my new releases for this week, and I'm really excited because I'm in love. I'm in love with March Mystery, which will also be in the shop this Friday at noon, along with all of these items. I will have the mystery unboxing available to you guys tomorrow. They're actually putting the finishing labels on the packages right now. I did a bunch of them this morning, and they're doing the mini kit only and the ultimate only today. It's kind of early. I go to work at like 5 in the morning. That's my thing. So I am really excited to get those shipped out to you guys, and I am so ready to show you guys these kits and the kit tomorrow. I'm so pumped. I just wanted to mention first that I am going to be putting these 2 post-it notes in the shop. I'm trying to like bring back some of the older ones from old mystery kits. I know a lot of you guys wanted this one, but I found a stack of these and I was like, these are cute. So I'm going to put both of these in the shop tomorrow. There are February mystery post-its in the shop and a bunch of different die cuts. Speaking of die cuts, this is going to be the die cut this week. The first 200 orders, which I've been doing the past couple of weeks, get a free little vinyl die cut. And this is a girl with the like pride rainbow flag, and she is so cute and I just love it so much. For size reference, this is about how big it is. This is a pocket planner, or like next to my, oh my Erin Condren. Like that. So super cute, and these will also be available in shop if you want to purchase more of them, or if you purchase like later and you want to buy one of those. Also, I am going to be switching up the journaling cards, so I do have a bunch of these rainbow splatter ones with a little heart that kind of matches the colors and the theme of the Love is Love kit. I thought these were really cute and would look super cute as like a dashboard and match a lot of things because it is rainbow, very fun for summer or for Pride, obviously. So those will be going out with orders, and we put out journaling cards with every single order no matter what is in it. So if you order on the main shop, you'll get this journaling card. We'll probably switch back and switch around back to Marvelous ones because we do have a bunch of those. I order them in like thousands, so that is that. So those are the like special things going on this week. I will show you guys Love is Love first because I'm so excited. This is set up the same-ish way as Sprinkles was, where it is like rainbow colored, so you can do a rainbow week. I don't know, I'm like debating if I want to do it like rainbow or if I want to do just like a rainbow like explosion on my page and want to have all the colors everywhere. Let me know how you guys are going to do it, either with this one or Sprinkles. Like, are you going to do like full rainbow everywhere, or are you going to do like rainbow color blocking? You let me know. But I'm definitely going to be saving this to use this in June because June is Pride month, and I will be doing a monthly kit with this art. I think I'll be doing 2 like monthly kits with art and then the one Hello one for June, just because I think this is such special art and I'm so excited. So I'll go ahead and show you guys this. So you do have the new freebie on the front. Then you have your deco on the top. I did put some marble in here just because I feel like the patterns in some of these are a little bit bold in the backgrounds with the rainbow colors. I think the marble broke it up a lot, and it's going to look really nice in the spread. So you do have like the rainbow, so like the 4 different colors here and then the 4 different colors on the bottom. Actually, I think this one's only 7 colors. Yeah, this one's 7 colors. And then I'll show you guys the glitter. So this one's 7 colors, and I just pulled them from like the colors in here. Y'all see. And I did use the green twice because I really liked it. So then you have your functional, which has the marble in the backgrounds and the grays as the glitter. In Sprinkles, I started with a red, but this one is starting with a gray. And then you have your weekend banner with the marble and then the rainbow sprinkle on the side, which is so cute. I was so excited about that. Then you have your marble habit trackers, functional items, half boxes, and quarter boxes. And then you have that really cool, it matches this, it's my favorite pattern from the kit in the background there. And then instead of that light gray, I did this darker color. It's a little easier to show it with the mini kit full boxes, but I feel like the darker color lends itself to the full boxes really well. Darker color labels with marble washi. In the Sprinkles one, I had like different patterns in the background of that too with the labels. And then you have the Ombre Heart checklists are marble, and then one of them is gray. You have your full boxes, which are just so lovely. I am in love. I love the balloons and the hands with the glitter nails and the couples. I'm here for it. And then you have your little cupcake. I feel like a lot of my kits have cupcakes in them. I'm not mad, but I'm just like obsessed with cupcakes. I don't even think I like cupcakes. I think I just like the way cupcakes look, but I'm always like, when writing mood boards to artists, I'm like cupcake or cake, or maybe I just like secretly love sweets. I don't know. And then I have the bottom washi, which is super cute. I didn't do like a double washi just because I thought the rainbow was really cool, and it does have like a sprinkle of like glitter on it. And then I did do all different color date covers to kind of match the rainbow kind of feel to this. So this is Love is Love. So definitely let me know down below like how you plan to use this. If you plan to do a color block or just rainbow explosion. And then also like, I think, I feel like silver glitter would look the best with this, or like hollow, or like, oh, what if, I'm gonna have to plan this out, because I think like doing like, I have all those different samplers from Rose Color Days and like all different colors. If I did all different color foils, I think I'd have to get some like date dots, but that would look so cool. So we also have the mini kit. Another thing I want to mention, I have been doing, I think for the past 3 weeks, is unlimited stock for the first 3 hours. And then after that, I remove anything that is oversold and send those items to print. And then I just list everything that we have left. So for the first 3 hours, we do unlimited stock. And like I always say every week, the mini kits usually do go the fastest, but they are available for the first 3 hours, which is something that we have never been able to do before. I love this deco so much. It's so cute. But I want to be able to do it for as long as possible. We are going to be losing Jessica. She's going to be moving back in August. So I don't know if I'm going to be able to do it forever, but I'm going to do as long as I can. And then you do have your glitter sampler if you want to add that on. And again, I did do a gray just because there was only 7 colors in the rainbow of this kit. There's an add-on if you want to do the girls. I thought this was really cute to do like half and half. So if you want to use both of them together to create like a flag, or you could just use one of them on the sidebar. I think that'd be really cute, but I love them. You have a girl with rainbow hair, and then you have different hair color and skin tone options. And then you also have the personal washi if you want to add that on as well, which is real cute. So that is everything in Love is Love. And again, I'm going to be using this art for a June monthly. And last but not least this week, besides obviously March Mystery, but that video will be tomorrow, is My Love, which is such a cute kit. It took me forever, I'm not gonna lie, to get this the way I wanted it to. I wasn't going to use it. I actually planned on using it for a monthly, like an extra May monthly, but once I like bought the art and downloaded it and was like looking at it, I'm like, no, this is gonna be like a perfect birthday kit. Like it, I think Kiki said that she's gonna use, maybe it was Kiki, said she was gonna use it for her like boyfriend's birthday, and I was like, that's a really good idea, and it's really cute for like a kid's birthday. Like really, it could be good for anyone's birthday, or you could just totally use it as a like tea party type thing. So let's go ahead and get into this. I'm like in love with this. I feel like even, I haven't looked at it really printed yet, but like, especially the glitter headers, I'm kind of in love. So let's go ahead and go through this. This one does have like a lot of a la carte extras, so we'll get into it then. Love these colors. It reminds me of a more muted version of, what was it, Vintage Floral? Is that what the kit was called? But that's what it kind of reminds me of. I love these colors and the glitter. It's so pretty. All of the really teeny tiny little deco. So cute. And then I did all of the scribblers the same with drinking the little tea because I thought it was very appropriate. Then with all of the boxes, so the Ombre Heart checklist, the weekly checklist, and the 3 heart checklist, I did do a little sprinkle of gold glitter. And then the weekend banner, I tried something different and did a gold sparkle stroke and then a gold foiled weekend, just because I thought it kind of matched the, what's this called? The quote box. Then you have your half boxes and quarter boxes and such, and I did pull in some patterns I didn't use in the kit, but I thought it looked kind of cool just to bring those in. I don't love like a lot of the patterns with like clip arts on them. You'll notice that in the full boxes I really rarely use those, so I thought putting them in there was really cute. And then you have your patterned washi, your little things, solid washi and headers, labels, and then your glitter sparkly little ombre hair checklist. And then you have your full boxes, which I wanted to keep fairly simple. I had to do a lot of work on these balloons because this is from a different kit. I I just love it. I love the way it turned out. I love this green color. It's so pretty. I love the florals. I'm obsessed. And again, like I said, I think you can use this for like really anyone's birthday. Happy birthday, my love. But I think it'd be really cute for like a little girl or a little boy's birthday. Maybe like your child or maybe your niece's or nephew's birthday. Super cute. Oh, I forgot how cute this was. Okay. Then you have your extra full box over here, which let's say you didn't want to use the Happy Birthday, My Love, you could totally swap it out for this one. And then you have your bottom washi, which I did do the faux bottom washi, and I did do a bunch of the macarons like in different angles. And then for the date covers, I did the gold sparkle border with a, there's like an overlay on these dates. It's like the floral pattern. It's very faint, but I think it like just adds a little something something. So it took me a while to get this exactly the way I wanted, but I think that it was like really worth it. And I am glad that I decided to make it into a full collection instead of just making it into a monthly kit. Then this also does come in a mini kit version. It's also like, not really, I was gonna say it's kind of like similar colors to March Mystery, but not really. I feel like the green, but like still not really. So you have your sampler, your full boxes, your functional sheet, your headers, little things, half boxes, quarter boxes, and skinny appointments. And then you have your small selection. Well, there's actually a lot of deco on there. And then solid and pattern washi, habit trackers, and then your bottom washi. And again, I'm loving these little kit labels. This change is my favorite with like the white bar that goes across it. In love, in love, in love. Also, this week's $3 Thursday is probably my favorite one. Just like a little heads up. I did preview some of the stuff on Instagram if you guys want to see that. There's a lot of a la carte items for this. So I did do an a la carte gold that matches the gold in the kit, like glitter. So these usually are super popular and people buy like multiples just to have like a gold glitter. I don't know which one I'm going to use for this, so I'm probably just going to keep both of them. And then this one's like, it's just so gorgeous. I love this glitter texture. It's like by far my favorite. I'm actually going to be using this glitter texture in the summer multicolor, and I'm in love, and I'm in love with the summer multicolor colors. That's going to be coming out in a couple of weeks, so if you want to get any of the winter, definitely do so. There is also the option if you want to add on the personal washi. And then there are boy and girls. I was actually just going to do girls, but then I was like, boy mom's got to represent. So I did boys as well. Again, I had to do a lot of work with the presents because that is from a different collection, but I think it turned out really, really cute. So you have a bunch of different hair and skin tone options, and they're just absolutely adorable. So I did this one with like a white background and this one with the green. It'd be so cute if you had a boy and a girl twins. Oh, that'd be adorable, like putting these next to each other. That'd be so cute. And then there's also going to be this one, which these are $2 and this is gonna be a $1 extra. And this is just a little sheet of numbers, which I thought would be cute to like mark the number of their birthday or whatever else you want to do with it. And I just thought these were really adorable. Again, this is from another collection. I just edited them, added a stroke and stuff, but really, really like the little numbers for that. And you could put them like, you want to put little 8 on the little cupcake, or you want to put it on a half box. You do what you want to do. So that's everything for this week. Again, don't forget that all of the items are on limited stock for the first 3 hours. The first 200 orders will be getting this die cut, but it'll be also available in shop if you want to purchase it. And this will be the journaling card that's going to go out with orders for the next few weeks. And I'll also be putting up these 2 post-it notes if you want to pick those up as well. And March Mystery will be in shop. And I will have that video, guys, out for you tomorrow. I'm actually going to film it right now, but I'll talk to you guys in my next video. And again, let me know what you're going to do with this kit, like what foil you're going to use, if you're going to do color blocking, if you're going to do glitter explosion, rainbow explosion, you let me know. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye!